Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My July 2022 Love From Lizi card kit just arrived and it's so much fun. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit and most of the add-ons are still available, and I will have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have white, pink, mint green, dark blue, and a lovely buttercup yellow. There are 2 sheets of 12 by 12 cut aparts, and they have been trimmed down simply to fit inside the box. There's lots of different icons and sentiments, and if you don't like to use the cut aparts, you can always use the pattern paper on the back side. So here's the 2 if they were together. I love that little kitty cat wearing the glasses. And then there's a beautiful pink floral design on the back side. Here's that second sheet, and it's fun how there's different sizes of cut aparts. And on the back side, there's some lovely stripe paper. This month, the pattern paper is 6 by 8 inches in size. They are single-sided, and you'll receive 18 sheets. And I love that many of the designs have a holographic foiling. The first sheet is similar to the 12 by 12, just in a smaller scale. So we have lots of beautiful florals. Here's a lovely design that has that holographic foil in the background. There's some colorful hearts. This one is probably my favorite. Lovely flowers with that holographic foil. We have polka dots, lots of tickets. You could cut those apart. There's another beautiful floral, diagonal stripes. This is another similar sheet to the 12 by 12 cut aparts. So you can see a comparison with the Love Yourself cut apart. More florals, so a darling little birds, and it's hard to see on the video, but in the background there's teeny tiny holographic polka dots. And then the final design has some lovely red and pink flowers. For the peel-offs this month, we have a brand new color, orange. Lizi's never had orange peel-offs before. This is the pinstripe style, so it has the 3 different widths. Here's the stamp set this month. We have some beautiful floral pieces to create a wreath, and then 2 different sentiments. You will always be my friend and best friends forever, and it has lots of little hearts around the sentiments. This month the kit includes an embossing folder, 2 beautiful floral images, and in the center it has the sentiment, "Make life beautiful." And I'm not sure if I mentioned that at the beginning, but that is the theme of the kit. You'll also receive a sheet of puffy stickers, lots of fun and colorful icons that match perfectly with the pattern paper. Next up, we have the ephemera pack. Just go ahead and get this out of the packaging. Some of the ephemera pieces, like the icons, have a pearlescent finish on them, so really pretty. Lots of beautiful florals. There's some gemstones, a camera. And there's also lots of fun little ledgers and tickets. Some sentiments in there on some small tags. The colors are fun and cheerful, and they match the pattern paper and the puffy icon stickers. I love this little postcard. Just a few more pieces, some sweet little birds. And many of the ephemera pieces have an area, so you could add a sentiment or maybe make it a journaling card for a scrapbook. Next up, we have some twine. There are 5 different colors, and you'll receive 1 meter each. And they do have a beautiful iridescent threading throughout the twine. There's pink, orange, black, white, and green. For embellishments this month, there's a full sheet of pearls, and they have a little detail around them that make it look like sunflowers. There are 3 dies this month. We have 2 different sizes of flowers. You could use them individually or stack the 2 together. And there's also the sentiment, "Be happy." As always, we have a sample size bag of sequins. You can purchase the full-size bag if you love to add sequins, and these are beautiful with an iridescent finish. Something a little bit different, Lizi's included 2 card bases and 2 envelopes, and these are larger sizes, plus they have a pearlescent finish. There's a 5x7 and also a 6x6 size card base, and then the envelopes are just slightly larger so they fit in there perfectly. The final item that's included in the kit is a large piece of deco mesh. This is about 30 centimeters. If you can see, some of the threading has that beautiful holographic iridescent finish to it. So that's everything that's included in the July 2022 card kit. Now I did receive some add-ons. First up is the Make Life Beautiful add-on bundle. This is very similar to some of the items that are included in the kit, but sometimes it's nice to have duplicates. I love making multiples of the same card, so this will be really nice. It includes the same 12x12 and 6x8 pattern paper. There's a sheet of the puffy stickers and the ephemera pack that's included in the kit. And there's an extra item, a little sheet of glitter enamel dots. These are so pretty and super sparkly, perfect for embellishments on your card. And I like that the enamel dots aren't super bulky, so they won't add a lot of dimension to your cards. The next item is an add-on stamp set. This is called Friends Forever. I'll read just a few of them. Everyone should have a friend like you. Because I have a sister, I will always have a friend. Not sisters by blood, but sisters by heart. Next up, we have the 2 peel-off bundle packs. The set on the left is the pinstripe pack. The colors are pink, mint green with silver foiling, silver holographic, and mauve mirror. The set on the right is a heart peel-off bundle. So we have pink holographic, silver holographic, white, and silver. I love using the mini shape peel-offs for embellishments. And the 4-pack peel-off bundles are always a really good price. The next item is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There are 6 different sheets. We have white, pink, another white, but this one has this beautiful wavy embossed texture on it. Then we have a dark blue, green, and a yellowish gold color. There's another specialty bundle. This is the matte pastel cardstock bundle, and these are A4 size, so they're a little bit different than an 8.5 by 11. There are 8 sheets included in this bundle. The colors are beautiful, and it has this lovely satiny finish. The final add-on I received is this beautiful 12 by 12 sheet of specialty cardstock. Lovely florals. It's all pearlescent, and it also has that beautiful holographic finish on the flowers. Now here's another look at Love From Lizi's July 2022 card kit. The theme is Make Life Beautiful. If you are interested in this kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.